folder there around my project portfolio draft. So created a folder SCCS voxel miscellany. That's going to replace entirely SCCS voxels medley once I'm done transferring every projects inside of here to this, where they are individual projects. Okay. So so I've put the files for all projects in here. Okay, and the corresponding Unity package. So I'm not done with doing that. And so where I am at now in my movement is, I think I found a tiny fix here. I developed a tiny fix, which is to put a delay for the gravity to be changed. Okay, so there you go. There's the delay. If I go here, and then we go here. Okay, but it's not perfect because when we the delay is too long. For instance, I go on this side, try to go on that side, oh, and we walk in the air because of the delay. Okay, so it's not perfect. Okay, but because of that, at least we don't have this 3. So I was right to say that the problem was the 3 gravity. The big fast switch between all those gravities is breaking the rotation, of the character. So it's not perfect for the lerping of the position of the pelvis, also of the character. He's not lerping fast enough for its next position where it's supposed to be. Okay, so it's not perfect. Very far from there. Because sometimes it feels like the character is not placed in the correct position once we've transferred gravity, and it's to be expected. We're very early in development of this here. So as you can see here, the gravity change wasn't done, and because the gravity change wasn't done, we couldn't swap sides. Otherwise, if you wait a little bit, we're able to swap to cross sides and have the gravity change done. It's a weird kind of thing to happen, but if you have like a compass, like where you are next to the gravity portions of a cubic planet, and you would know that there's going to be a gravity swap happening, and you can customize your gameplay based on knowing that fact. Yeah, so nothing's perfect though. The gravity change there, not happening fast, and changing with a too fast value is not helping either. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do I'm not gonna do a restart here. I'm just gonna do a restart if we're crossing over. Oh well, that's a problem also. It's over 1,500. Yeah, so time watch dot elapsed 1,500 seconds here. Okay. Oops. Maybe so the delay is too fast. It's too slow still. Yeah, so the delay is too slow. We can see if we can remove this. I don't think that we can. Well, actually, it might be possible. We're gonna not start the time watch here, though. We start it at the top. Yeah, like this. I don't like it, but it's like we don't have a better solution than this anyway for the moment. So the gravity, oh my god. Yeah, so that's not really working. So we have to restart the time watch here. Yeah. Still, the delay is too long. You know, but lowering this, man. Um, delay before swapping is too long. So let's try 750. Well, I think that we're gonna have issues here, unless I move the character maybe forward a little bit more. You know, kind of attract the player to the gravity, where and budge the position a little bit so that the player is attracted to gravity. Hmm. That's actually a pretty decent value there. So the character jumping up and down, that's not something expected. It actually happened in code, and I just have a little bit hard time fixing it, so I'm gonna be working on that. Looks funny though. I could lower the position a little bit less fast, and see the character is kind of bumping up and down slower, but the problem is that its character would leave the planet sometimes, so yeah, it's really a custom thing there that I built. So yeah, I'm pretty happy to hear about this. Well, you know, you see that there's a little bit of delay here, but 500 milliseconds was too fast. We had issues. Whoa. And here we have a problem. We passed through the wall. Weird thing happened. That's because the rotation was changed, and suddenly we started capturing a different kind of bite with the ray that shoots down from the hip joint of the leg, and the character passed through the wall after that, following the wrong path. Yeah, you really had to fix this. Yeah, so it would be kind of working now, I guess. I think I'm gonna be updating my GitHub repo here. I just did an update not too long time ago, and I was about to give up on this idea. So it's kind of working now. I mean, now we have to develop movement restrictions, basically. Movement restrictions, and make this, you know, swapping of the gravity even better. Attract the player on a different gravity, so that we don't need to budge the player manually, as what we're doing in code. Instead, you know, we try to use the like a leash, and you know, just try to bring the character towards the gravity portion of where they're standing on the planet. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's cubic bullshit. Nothing perfect, but you know. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do an update with this. I'm just gonna put that off. And change my folder name to not much defect anymore. You know, there's still defects, but as we used to as we use the other face, and cancel this. And we have a problem with the reloading. Okay, so with this now. Yeah. Do this here. Oops. Let me see when we're running. There you go. Okay. When we're running, we're walking. Oh, really? Okay. Rotation seems to be completely freaking wrong, though. Yeah, something is wrong with the rotation now. What the hell? Rotation is always 90°. That's not how it was supposed to work. What am I doing wrong? Oh, no. Something is wrong here. Flat gravity up. Something is wrong. We're supposed to have a... God damn it. Oh, even if I would learn, we're supposed to have the identical angle to where we were on the past phase when we're swapping to the next phase. We're not supposed to go 90 degrees like this here. So yeah. So we're gonna have to fix this portion. Okay. Yeah, and the movement restrictions would kind of fix this issue that we have here. You know, we're swapping to these. Well, fix it. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, like this. If position is the same, we should cancel this from happening. You know, if the position is the same, to not change from any other. Yeah, gravity than what we have. So yeah, that's possible to fix this. I think it looks pretty decent now. It really looks pretty decent. Oops. Well, change gravity. We're standing in the portion where, you know, we're swapping gravity there, and so what I'm gonna do, if I can, is say 995 here and see if that helps. That gives just a little bit of an extra precision that we need. Oops. No, that doesn't really work. If I stay in the same position, we're gonna have that swap happening. If check moving, if the character is moving. So if check moving, let's see here. Just fix this with that here. Check moving, switch for is moving. Okay. So if the character is moving and is moving, we can reset the gravity. I go here. See, I didn't. It doesn't change, but I knew it. Knew it. I'm not moving enough on the other side. Something is completely wrong with us. I'm not moving enough on the other side. So we're gonna do multiplied by 10 here or something. Maybe multiplied by 5 times this. Here, and see. Like, move forward on the other goddamn side. You know, like, stop digging around the middle. No, it didn't. Why is it doing this? I'm not moving enough or something. Let's go at 50 here and see if this is still irritatingly not working. Moving way too far from the location of. Whoa, the jump, man. Nah. So we're leaving that there. That there. What can I? Well, let's budge the character. Maybe I can find a sweet spot here. Just tested before that on the just swapping from the top face to the front face. Shit. Character has not moved forward enough. Here it was. Unless I implement a system, I guess that says that, you know, the character, if it's moving in one direction after passing, like some logic after passing the gravity is still moving forward, and don't swap the gravity or something. I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, before I do an update, I'm gonna keep working on this though, probably. Yeah. It's starting to look better now. This with this delay that we're putting there. If I'm stopping right when crossing, we're gonna have issues. And I don't understand why the feet are actually not moving towards the location, the correct location. We got a problem with this. Okay, the pelvis and stuff not moving towards the correct location to where it's supposed to go. What the hell? Transform it here, and am I not fixing this? Well, that's the thing here. The moment that I put that here, it started fucking things up. I need to move the value of this to the value of this. It's not working. It goes up in the air. Works now. What the fuck just happened? What's happening with my character? What is going on? Let's go here. Let's just see if we're jumping. No, so what the hell is going on? Yes, we're jumping. We are jumping. Something is not right with this. It's not the viewer It's not the viewer position that I have to do that. Yeah, there's a certain logic that I'm not actually doing right now. I think maybe or not. Well, why is the character jumping in the air like this? Well, I'm using the cross part of forward, and then point it forward next face. I'm moving to the point forward next face. Moving towards that point. Oh. But let me just see this again. Garbage. So this is bad. I reduced this value here, so we're gonna leave this 985. Let's see here, maybe. See. Mas campus P. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's I don't like it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. We're barely swapping on the other side. That I could put a fix like a movement restriction as if I'm going in the same direction. So that the gravity data that I had has received is actually the wrong because last frame was not that gravity section, so it shouldn't be swapped if I'm moving in the opposite direction. But why that is happening, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working on this. So thanks for watching. This is about as long as this stream is going to last. So I'm gonna stream some